Dude, are you serious? You're a fucking idiot, dude. What's going on, YouTube? It's been a little bit. So I'm out here solo again today. I tried to get some people down for a ride, but everybody's busy. I've been absent for a bit, so between work scheduling, rain, family vacation day, and Mother's Day, I haven't been out riding at all. I've been with my family or at work or watching rain. Kind of sums it up. But yeah, I got some time to slip away today. I was hoping to get some more people to ride so we could have some better content than just my voice, but it didn't pan out that way. And I figured I'd get something out to you guys to explain. So we're just going free riding today. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just going. Had to lift my visor up for a second, adjust my glasses. Well, I don't think you guys seen the new gloves I got. Kind of almost match my bike. Almost, but not really. I mean, they're not like Kawasaki green gloves, but they're close enough to satisfy me. So that's cool. Good summer gloves, nice and breathable, really thin. Probably not going to protect much in a wreck, but I mean, you're wearing gloves and they feel good. Really can't complain too much about them. I've lived in Jonesboro pretty much all of my life, and there's still roads that I've never been on in this town because either I have no business going down them, or like I don't know anybody who lives down them. There, you know, there's not like a business district and stuff. This isn't one of the roads. I know this road in and out, but I mean, I'm heading to try some roads I've never been on. God, does it feel good to be on the bike, baby? Ah, it's been too long. Too long. I don't know what I was reaching for. I'm just ADHD's taking over. We're on the bike. You get full of energy. Things happen. Just like that. Don't know what that was. It was a clap. A clap for being on the bike, I guess. Let's turn up here. I have not ever once been down this road. Well, actually, I've been to the start of this road, kinda. Back when I used to deliver car parts. There was a shop like right up here I used to go to, but that's about as far as I ever went. That tin building right there is where I used to deliver parts. Never really been past this. New territory. RT Charger burnt up. Car junkyard. Lots of dust. Sketch. Rough roads. Was this going to lead me right back to Walmart? Because that's what it feels like it's going to do. gravel on this turn. Which way do I go? Casey Springs. I've heard of this road. I guess I'm gonna follow this Tahoe. Found neutral. Yeah, that truck threw a lot of dust over my windshield. Smearing. I'll have to clean it when I get back home. Land for sale. Buy it, concrete it, stunt lot. It's a pretty house. Looks fairly new. You can tell by like the grass isn't like grown in where they've been out there taking lumber and shit. Oh, this air feels good when I got to the top of that hill. Oh yeah, give me more of that shit. School? What school's even out here? I don't see a school out here. Is that a school? RCS. What does that stand for? Ridgefield something. Sloan Lakes Estates. Straw floor. No outlet. Let's go that way, see what the no outlet is. Houses. Hey, a bike. Brethren. I'm waiting to get some yee-ass truck on my ass out here in the middle of nowhere. Considering they know the roads and I don't. Oh, go duck. Hey, a bridge. Oh, I found the no outlet. This will be a badass spot for a picture. That's what we're gonna do real quick, boys. Oh, let's get the road behind it. Oh, my gloves didn't work out here. No. None of that. I'm not very good at taking pictures, just so you guys know. My wife is the picture taker. Oh, that's sick though. Got a message too. Alright, I'll get out of here before I get hit by a car. Ooh. Well, this is a cool little find. I Found a secret picture taking spot. Nissan 350. Road closed, bridge out ahead. Oh, we'll go fucking check it out, might as well. Bridge out ahead. City maintenance ends here. Fire hydrant in the middle of nowhere. Only you can prevent forest fires. Okay, that's the bridge that's out. So what is this? Where are we? There's houses out here. Holy shit. That's a badass house they're working on. Hey, a circle. I found a circle. I guess this is where all those trucks were coming from earlier. One of these houses out here. I have no idea where I'm at. I have no idea how to get back to where I came from. I mean, I guess I do, but... Bobcat. Another circle. Another circle. What's my traction control about? Always on when I get on the bike. No. Well, this was cool. I mean, I don't know what the fuck any of this is. I guess they're gonna be putting houses all throughout here, and at that circle back there and that circle over there. That's usually what's in circles, cul-de-sacs, whatever you want to call them, houses. Well, this is a cool little find. Hello, Mr. Police Officer. I'm a good boy.
A few inches later.
Got a Benz Turbo and a Porsche. I think that Benz Turbo would walk that Porsche. Damn! It's all the luxury SUVs right now. Dude sprayed me. That dirt's sprinkling. It's sprinkling. Wonderful. I guess I'm gonna cut my time short. Good thing I'm close to home. This is not good. Well, cutting the video here. I was gonna go play on some different roads I've never been on, but I don't really feel like being out here in the rain, to be honest with you guys. Not my cup of tea for sure. That, and I don't have the protective thing on my GoPro, so